This is Gunpla-kun from Bandai. Gunpla-kun there, 2 packs of sprue, and you can see there the very famous Bandai multicolored sprue. We've got a breakdown of the parts, so there's your legend. Hello, I'm BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I'm going to open one of these today. This is Gunpla-kun from Bandai. So Gunpla-kun, I guess Gunpla is Gundam plastic model kit, and kun is like a cute sort of name you put on the end of someone's name to make it sort of cutesy. So there you go, Gunpla-kun. So this is a concept designed for, I guess, sort of beginners and those that are not familiar with Gundam. And if they're not interested in traditional Gundam kits, they've released this, which can be built in 2 different versions. So you can build it as a full figure like this. So it's a bit of an SD looking figure. Or you can also build it as on the runner, which is a bit of a trend at the moment. So let's have a look at the box. So here we go, Gunpla-kun there. This is designed for beginners, as you can see. You don't need glue, which is pretty much the same for most Bandai kits, but you also don't need any side cutters. So they've been engineered to break off very cleanly from the gates, and it's also multicolored. So to get this effect here, all it means is cutting out this sprue type section on the runner, and then just pressing in all the various colors and get all this color separation, which is fantastic. Or you build it like this. And both of these come with a base. Now if we look over here, that's what the runner version looks like, and that's what the full figure looks like. There's only 3 sprue involved, so it's not that complicated. Let's open up and have a look. Alright, so we are greeted with 2 packs of sprue, and you can see there the very famous Bandai multicolored sprue. I cannot remember any other brand that actually does this. I mean, it's complicated to get different colored sprue on the one runner. But let's crack this open first, and we'll see what it gives you. Alright, so this one is pretty obvious. So this is the multicolored sprue. We've got the helmet in 3 parts there. There's a face for the red color separation. You've got the yellow color separation there as well. And then you've got the markings for the helmet. Now the plastic is quite flexible, and this is what they call eco-plastic. And the eco-plastic, I think, is the recycled stuff. Now if we have a closer look at this, you can see how it's got really sharp moldings there. But I'm not going to flex this too much because, like I said, you don't need tools. So if I flex it too much, all these bits are going to fall off, which we don't want. You can see how tight those bits are. So the engineering involved there, you just need to flex it a little bit and they'll fall off clean. The yellow part, so that it's parts of the eyes, the eye parts there, and that'll be fit in the back of this one. So there's our multicolored sprue. Okay, so all your helmet bits, there's the main helmet part there. Now next we have this one, which has some blue and red bits on it. So here is a stand for the fully built standing figure. Got some arm components here, some chesty bits. Got the gun, little shield. And there's the base for holding up the figure. So this is like a little, I guess, a prop. So that'll go into here, and it goes into between Gunpla-kun's legs, keep him upright. Okay, and if we have a close look here. So this part is called G2. And all your parts are numbered, so it's easier to go through the little instructions. The instructions are a little sheet. Got the arms here, chest parts, and again you can see how they've engineered all the joins be really small against the part, so it'll come off clean. And there's your little gun. Okay, from there we have one more sprue left, which is this one. And we've got some stickers, which will be for around the eyes. Now I should perhaps bring up, where is it? I've been showing off all this white components. It's probably hard to see white on white. So let's put it over here. We've got blue now. How's that? That's easier to see. So here is our final lot. This section here is actually the runner version. Okay, so it'll be like this. So you see G, and then it's got a description there for the RX-78-2 Gundam. This section here, you see how it's like a little bowl section. That's where the helmet's going to be locked into place. And then the arms, you have other parts put into here, so it looks like it's still on the runner. And you'll trim it out from this point. Then that will be held in place with this stand. And that goes around the back as well to hold it up. So they're the two parts that you'll be able to choose from, the runner version or the fully built figure. Okay, let's have a look at the manual, and I'll probably explain it a little easier. So we'll get our manual here. We've got a breakdown of the parts. So there's your legend. As we open it up, we have the instructions here on how to build. So this is common for building the runner version and also for the fully built figure. So you go through here how to build the head, the body, your legs. But this section here, it differentiates the two. So this is the full figure. So you'll be breaking off every single piece and the flat base with the support. And then you have your full figure here. For the runner version, you're putting all your, I guess you call these sub-assemblies, and they're getting mounted into the runner as a frame. So it looks like this. So there are your choices. So different base, and store away the gun at the back. So that's quite interesting. So this is Gunpla-kun. They call this Gunpla-kun DX Set. You got choices of building the fully built figure, which is this one, or the runner version, which is this one. So thank you for joining me with this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like. And if you'd like to see content similar to this, think about subscribing. So thank you for joining me.